Can you believe obstructive sleep apnea is so dangerous? Obstructive sleep apnea is a serious sleep disorder caused by collapse of upper airway repeatedly during sleep, causing temporary pause in breathing. Obstructive sleep apnea is more common between 40 to 65 years of age due to decreased muscle tone. A genetic predisposition exists. Causes. Anything that narrows the airway can lead to obstructive sleep apnea. Lifestyle factors like alcohol and sedatives over-relax the throat muscles and making the airway easier to collapse. Smoking irritates the lining and causing it to thicken over the time. In obesity, fat around the airway compress it from outside. And even sleep position matters. When sleeping on the back, gravity pulls the tongue and soft palate backward. All these factors narrow the airway, and when the sleep relaxes it further, smooth and silent airflow become turbulent, creating an obstructive sleep apnea. In case of sleep apnea, the airway is already unstable and prone to collapse during sleep. Instead of just narrowing, the airway closes completely. For a few seconds, breathing stops. Soft tissues seal the passage shut. Oxygen begins to fall and the body struggles. Then the brain triggers an alarm. A brief awakening, a sudden gasp opens the airway again. And this cycle repeats many times throughout the night. Sleep gets fragmented, so the patient wakes up unfreshed. The body remains exhausted, and due to constant stress over the time, the risk of high blood pressure, stroke, and heart disease increases. The detailed history: neck circumference more than 17 inches in men and 16 in women is important clinical clue, confirmed by sleep study with polysomnogram. Weight loss is the most effective fix for sleep apnea. Structural issues. A custom mouth guard can gently bring the jaw forward and keep the airway open. A CPAP machine is the standard treatment. And finally, surgery is considered the last resort when the soft palate may be reshaped to reduce airway collapse. Obstructive sleep apnea is a silent struggle for oxygen while you sleep.